cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Now, how you gonna get back over here? Ain't that slippery? It's slippery right there. I don't think that's gonna work. Glenn? I think you should have probably got back in the water, went over there, went on them rocks. There's rocks down there. Oh my God.
Oh shoot, Glenn.